Charles law. What is Charles law? Temperature volume relation. Charles law states that at constant pressure the volume of a given mass of a gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. A mathematical expression of Charles law is V is directly proportional to temperature. V by T is equals to K, where V is equals to volume of gas and T is equals to absolute temperature. Okay. Absolute temperature. At constant pressure, volume of a given mass of a gas or decrease by mass of a gas increases or decreases by 1 by 27 3.15 times at volume at 0 degree Celsius for every 1 degree Celsius rise or fall in temperature. Vt is equals to V naught 1 plus alpha delta T, where P is the constant, where P is constant. There this equation is Charles-Gay-Lussac equation. Okay, Charles-Gay-Lussac equation, where alpha is equals to volume coefficient is equals to 1 by 273.15, and at Vt is equals to volume at T degree Celsius and V naught is equals to volume at 0 degree Celsius. Graphical representation of Charles law. Charles law graphs as known as Charles law graph as known as isobar. Isobar. Following graph gives relation between V and T at constant pressure. Yes, V and T at constant pressure. P1 is less than P2 is less than P3. Okay, P1 is less than P2 means P3 is maximum, then P2, then P1. Okay, then train your brain. It is isobar. Okay, if the temperature of a particular amount of gas is increased from 27 degrees Celsius to 57 degrees Celsius, find final volume of gas of initial volume is equals to 1 liter and assume pressure is constant. Yes, then V1 by T1 is equals to V2 by T2, and 1 by 273 of 27 is equals to V2 by 273 plus 57. So V2 is equals to 1.1 liter. Now, what is Gay-Lussac law or Amonton's law? It is also known as PT law or pressure law relationship. At constant volume, pressure of a given mass of a gas is directly proportional to its solubility temperature. P is directly proportional to P by T, that is constant, is equals to K. Thus, if pressure P1 at T1 changes to P2 at T2, then P1 by T1 is equals to P2 by T2. Then P2 by T2. Graphical representation of Gay-Lussac's law. The plot of P versus T are straight line and passes through the origin. Pressure versus time. Here V4 is more than V1 because pressure is inversely proportional to volume. At constant volume, the graph drawn in the P and T of a gas is called isochore. Keynote: Charles law, Vt law not obeyed below minus 273 degrees Celsius because no substance exists as gas below the minus 273 degrees Celsius and changes to liquid. Train your brain. The temperature of certain mass of gas is doubled if initially the gas is at 1 atm pressure. Find the percentage increase in pressure. So what you have to find? percentage increase in pressure. How we will find? P1 by T1 is equals to P2 by T2, that is 1 by T is equals to T2 by 2T, that is P2 is equals to 2 atm. Okay, dt is cutted and P2 is equals to 2 atm. Now percentage increase is equals to P2 minus P1 final minus initial by initial into 100, that is P2 minus P1 by P1 into 100 is equals to 1 by 1 into 100 is equals to 100 degrees Celsius or 100 percentage. Okay, now what is Avogadro's law? Volume and amount relationship. It is Avogadro's law. It states that equal volume of all gases measured under the some condition of temperature and pressure contains equal number of molecule or moles. At constant temperature and pressure, the volume of gas is proportional to the number of moles present in it. Volume is directly proportional to N. Pt are constant. V by N is equals to K and V1 by N1 is equals to V2 by N2. Ideal gas equation. What is ideal gas equation? As given as gas which obey all the gas law under all the conditions of temperature and pressure is called an ideal gas. Yes. The ideal gas equation is obtained by combining the three gases law, that is Boyle's law, Charles' law and Avogadro's law. Now PV is equal to nRT is ideal gas equation or perfect gas equation and also called as equation of state. Yes, equation of state is also known as. And here N is equal to number of moles of gases, that is R is equals to universal gas constant and PV is equals to M by N RT. Next, M is equals to mass of PV is equals to M by M RT and M is equals to mass of the gases. Capital M is equals to molecular weight of the gases. P is equals to dRT by M and here M by V is equals to D. Yes, D is equals to M by V. Yes. Now if TV and P are a fixed amount of gas change from T1 V1 and P1 to T2 V2 and P2, then P1 V1 by T1 is equals to P2 V2 by T2, called combined gas law. Okay, combined gas law, आइडियल गैस लो है ना, अब कंबाइंड गैस लो बोलते हैं इसको. D1 T1 by P1 is equals to D2 T2 by P2. Next, what is next? Numerical value of R. R value depend on the unit of PVT. R is equals to PV by NT. R is equals to 1 atm into 22.414 liter. 1 mole into 273 Kelvin is equals to 0.0821 liter atm. That is K inverse mole inverse is equals to 82.1. That is 2.1 ml atm inverse Kelvin mole. R is equals to PV by NT is equals to 10 to the power 5 Pa, that is 227 into 10 to the power minus 3 into meter to the power 3 by 1 mole into 273.15 Kelvin. Okay, next, R value is different unit. Yes, R value कितना होता है? R का वैल्यू 0.0821 is pressure unit and atmosphere. Okay, and volume unit liter. Okay, and R value 82.183 8.314 into 10 to the power 7 8.314 और 1.987 ये सब होता है. प्रेशर यूनिट क्या होता है? ATM एटमॉस्फेयर. ओके, एटमॉस्फेयर 9 सेंटीमीटर की स्क्वायर माइनस, और इसका नहीं है कोई यूनिट, इसका न्यूटन मीटर स्क्वायर का, और वॉल्यूम यूनिट लीटर मीटर क्यूब सेंटीमीटर क्यूब मीटर क्यूब. ये सब था, थोड़ा लर्निंग पार्ट है, लर्निंग पार्ट. And this, the gas constant per molecule is known as Boltzmann constant. Okay, gas constant per unit volume is called as Boltzmann constant, that is K by Na. Okay, R by Na, that is R by Na, that is universal gas constant by Na is equals to Boltzmann constant, that is 8.314 into 10 to the power 7 by 6.02 into 10 to the power 23, that is 1.3 into 10 to the power minus 6 अर्ज केल्विन इनवर्स इंटू मोल इनवर्स, मोलिक्यूल इनवर्स, ओके, मोल इनवर्स। और इसका भी यही भी बोल सकते हैं नीचे भी 1.38 इंटू 10 की पावर 23 जूल पर केल्विन पर मोलिक्यूल, ओके। नाउ डेंसिटी एंड मोलिकुलर मास ऑफ गैस सब्सटेंस, डेंसिटी और मोलिकुलर मास of gaseous substance, okay। तो PV is equals to nRT, n by V is equals to PRT, हाँ P by RT, और n is equals to m by n, okay, और m by mv is equals to P by RT, that is density is equals to mass by volume. Now d by m is equals to P by RT, so thus m is equals to dRT by P, m is equals to dRT by P, okay। Gram's law of diffusion, the spontaneous mixture of gas against gravitational force to form a homogeneous mixture is known as the diffusion of gases. The volume of gas V that diffuses in unit time or the distance traveled by molecule per unit time is known as rate of diffusion of the gases. Yes, what is Graham's law of diffusion? This is the spontaneous mixture gas against gravitational force to form homogeneous mixture is known as diffusion of gas, okay। Next, rate of diffusion is equals to volume of gas into volume, that is volume by time. Now gas diffusion from high pressure to low pressure, yes, high pressure से low pressure जाएगा, and next for two gases diffusion under similar condition temperature and pressure, हाँ सिमिलर टेम्परेचर, ओके, दो गैसेस जिसमें सिमिलर कंडीशन रहेगा ऑफ टेम्परेचर और प्रेशर, तो R1 by R2 इज इक्वल्स टू अंडर रूट D2 by D1 इज इक्वल्स टू अंडर रूट V1 D1 by V2 D1, ओके, V1 D2 by V2 D1 इज इक्वल्स टू M2 by M1, okay, molar mass of 2 by molar mass of 1, okay। Next, if two gases diffuses at a different temperature, okay, different pressure but at similar temperature, okay, दो है different pressure but same temperature, तो फिर क्या हो जाएगा R1 by R2 is equals to P1 by P2 and under root M2 by M1, okay। Next, limitation of Dalton's law of partial pressure. Dalton's law of partial pressure is not applicable to the mixture of reacting gases, हाँ reacting gases के लिए Dalton's नहीं इधर नहीं था, यहाँ था, we were here। Now what we are going to study, you under similar condition of temperature and pressure if equal volume of two gases diffuse, अगर equal volume, अब volume कैसा है, equal volume है, okay, कंडीशन टेम्परेचर एंड सेम रहा, अब वॉल्यूम, ओके, इफ सिमिलर कंडीशन, हाँ वॉल्यूम भी अगर इक्वल रहेगा तो कैसा हो जाएगा R1 बाय R2 इज इक्वल्स टू T1 बाय T2 बाई T1 और T2 बाई T1 इज इक्वल्स टू अंडर रूट M2 बाई M1, ओके। नेक्स्ट फॉर gases at different temperature R2 by R1 by R2 is equals to under root T1 M2 by T2 M1. Now train your brain, okay, the pressure, okay, correct. Now the pressure in a vessel that contain pure oxygen dropped from 2000 torr to 1500 torr in 40 minutes, 20 मिनट में, 40 मिनट में, okay, as the oxygen leaked through a small hole into a vacuum. When the same vessel was filled with another gas, the pressure dropped from 2000 torr to 1500 torr in 800 meter 80 minutes, okay, 80 minutes। वापस अलग वाला जो था ना उसको भी वापस उसमें सेम चेंज हुआ बट टाइम डिफरेंट, तो T1 बाई T2 ना, T2 बाई T1 इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट M2 बाई M1, ओके। What is the molecular weight of the second gas, okay, change in pressure is equals to 50 torr, 2000 minus 100 1500 200 torr 500 torr। Now time taken is 40 minutes and rate 1 is equals to 500 by 40, that is torr. Okay, torr क्या है, टॉर पर मिनट. ओके, जितना टॉर लगा है, प्रेशर बाय टाइम रेट. नाउ सिमिलर रेट इज इक्वल, सिमिलर रेट R2 इज इक्वल्स टू 500/80. ओके, नाउ रेट 1 बाय रेट 2 इज इक्वल्स टू अंडर रूट M1 बाय M2. यस, M2 बाय M1, नो M1 बाय M2. M1 नहीं पता, M2 पता है 32. ओके, क्यों है 32 शायद से, क्या है, ऑक्सीजन है ना, ऑक्सीजन 32 मोलिकुलर वेट. नाउ okay, now this is 500 by 40 or 500 by 80 और m is equals to अंडर रूट m by 2. तो कितना जाएगा m आ जाएगा 128 ग्राम पर मोल. ओके, समझ गया. नाउ डाल्टन्स लॉ ऑफ प्रेशर. द टोटल प्रेशर एक्सर्टेड बाय अ मिक्सचर ऑफ गैस which do not chemically react is equal to the sum of the partial pressure of the component gas present in the mixture at same temperature. First, P is equals to P1 plus P2 plus Pn, and second, P mixture is equals to N1 plus N2 plus N3, that is RT by V. Okay, important. Dalton's pressure आया था इस पे क्वेश्चन से. तो सम कर दो, या तो n नंबर ऑफ मोल्स को ऐड कर दो और R2 by V कर दो. नाउ पार्शियल प्रेशर. प्रेशर exerted when it alone occupies the volume or total volume of the mixture at the same temperature is called partial pressure. Okay, the pressure exerted by a gas when it alone occupies the total volume, okay, खुद पूरा ऑक्यूपाई कर लेता है, of the mixture, okay, at the same temperature is called partial pressure. Okay, now pp of gas is equals to total pressure into mole fraction of gas, that is pi is equals to xi into p. P initial is equals to xi initial, mole fraction into total p. Okay, here the mole fraction of the component, let A and B present in a mixture. Okay, mole fraction of A is XA, that is Na by Na plus Nb, where Na minus number of molecule of A, now Nb minus number of molecule of B. Okay, the water soluble gas gases are generally collected over water. A gas collected over water is saturated with water molecule such as gas is called moist gas. Okay, the moist gas किसको बोलते हैं, इसमें पता चल जाएगा रेड करके. The pressure of water vapor is against moist gas is known as aqueous tension. What is aqueous tension? Pressure of water vapor in a moist gas. moist gas के अंदर pressure water vapor का, तो बोलेंगे aqueous tension. Now what is next? Now pressure moist gas is equals to pressure of dry gas plus aqueous tension. This is the most important formula. Moist gas is equals to dry gas plus aqueous tension. Now what is this? Now aqueous tension is constant at given temperature and increases with increasing temperature. और temperature बढ़ेगा तो aqueous tension भी बढ़ते जाएगा. Okay, now keynote. क्या होता है keynote? Relative humidity. Now what is relative humidity? Partial pressure of H2O in air by vapor pressure of H2O. vapor pressure किसका? H2O का. partial pressure of H2O in air by vapor pressure of H2O. फिर limitation of laws of partial pressure. Dalton's law of partial pressure is not applicable to the mixture of reactive gases. Example: CO and Cl2 and NO and Cl2, NO and O2, H2 and Cl. Limitation of Dalton's law. This is what are the limitation of Dalton's law? Dalton's law partial pressure is not applicable to the mixture of reacting gases. Reacting gas के लिए not applicable. Next, Dalton's law of pressure is applicable to the mixture of non-reacting. सिर्फ non-reacting के लिए काम करता है. That is examples: N2 and H2, okay, H2 and O2. ये non-reacting gases के लिए. Now train your brain, and this is last. A mixture of gas at 760 torque contains 55% of nitrogen and 25% of oxygen and 20% carbon dioxide by mole के हिसाब से. What is the partial pressure of each gas in torque? Let total mole of gas mixture be 100. Okay. Pn2 is equals to nn2 by nt into pt is equals to 55 by 100 into 760 is equals to 418 torque. Okay, n2 by nt. Okay, n2 by nt, what is nt? 100. Okay, next. Now PO2 is equals to NO2 by NT into PT is equals to P total. Okay, N total. Okay. Now 25 by 100 into 760 is equals to 190. Now PCO2 is equals to 760 minus 418 minus 190. Okay, 760 minus 118 minus 19. Okay, तो मिल जाएगा 152 टॉर्क PCO2. नाउ PN2 क्या हो जाएगा? 418 टॉर्क. ओके, 418 टॉर्क कैसे मिला? हाँ, यहाँ से मिला 418 टॉर्क. नेक्स्ट PO2 इज इक्वल्स टू 190 टॉर्क, PCO2 इज इक्वल्स टू 152 टॉर्क एंड टोटल प्रेशर इज इक्वल्स टू 760. खत्म.